I will
All
tell
right.
you what to write.
All right. Okay.
So I'm asking you. You're not gonna write down nothing. I will tell you when to write.
Okay. All right.
Yes. So do you have the $200 with you now at home?
Do I have what? Oh, 200, the 200. Oh,
Do you?
what I wrote down here, the $200.
Yes. Do
$200.
do
Yeah.
you have it at
Yeah,
home?
I do have it. Yeah.
All right. So listen what you're gonna do. Now you're gonna write. I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna write, so you write it down. All right. This is
Okay.
what you're gonna write down now.
Okay.
Yes. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell
Yes.
you what to write.
I'm going to
Yes. You're gonna write
tell
vanilla.
you
Va- Listen.
what to
Hello. Lord God.
write.
You don't need to write that. What's wrong with you?
Vanilla. Did you say vanilla?
That's the only thing you need to write. It seems like everything I said to you, you write it down. You're wasting my time.
You're wasting my
Yes. Listen, you don't need to
Listen.
write nothing. I will tell you
Listen.
what to write. You don't need to write everything I said to you. How are you gonna write everything I say to you?
How are you?
You don't need to write that. Don't write that.
Well, what if I thought you said to write everything that you say, though?
No, no.
But I'm trying to take down all of the information that I can.
Listen, you don't need to write that. You don't need to write that.
You
Are you
don't
stupid? Are you crazy?
need to
I
write
tell you
that.
what to write. Bumper.
Okay, let me just
Don't write that.
let me just start a new page, and I'll put at the top.
Listen, listen.
Listen,
Can you hear me?
listen.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me? Yes, I can. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
You know,
I
you're not
can
following.
hear you. Am I supposed to be writing like how the conversation is going, or just the key points?
No, no, no.
What am I supposed to be doing then?
The only thing you need to write, I'm gonna tell you
Is
what to write
is
now.
what you say.
The
Okay.
only thing
All right. Okay.
you're gonna write vanilla gift card.
You're going to write.
You don't need to write
Vanilla.
that. You
You
don't need
just
to.
told me to
Listen.
write
Hello,
vanilla
hello, hello.
gift card.
The only thing you're gonna write is vanilla gift card.
The only thing
You don't need to write that. Just write vanilla gift card.
you don't need
Okay.
to write that. Just write
Hello.
gift card.
You're stupid. I'm gonna hang up. I'm gonna hang up the phone. You're wasting my time.
Did you use a contraction there, or you said you're, right?
Listen.
You are.
All right. Hello.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Can you
Hang up the page.
hear me?
Bomborasklan. Acha. 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 Goodbye. Bye bye.
Acha, acha, acha. I don't know what that means.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Can you hear?
I can hear.
Something wrong with your ears?
No,
Listen, something
no.
wrong with your ears?
I don't think so. I have an appointment for my hearing in 2 weeks, actually.
All right, listen. I just need you to listen to what I'm saying. I just want you to know that you're hearing what I'm saying to you. Can you hear?
Can you hear? Yes.
You don't need to write down all those stupid stuff you're writing down.
I'm not writing stupid stuff. I'm just writing information.
No, you don't need to write that. You
Oh.
don't need to write nothing.
Oh, okay.
The only thing I tell you what to write, when I tell you to write, you write.
Okay, all right, yeah.
'Cause you're wasting my time now.
You wasting
Watcha.
my
Watcha.
time.
Why you writing? Why you
Yeah.
keep writing down that?
I'm waiting for you. I thought you... What do I write down then?